Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to continue our discussion on introduction to pandas. Today we are moved to data selecting functions in pandas. Let's start the challenges. Today challenge name is select data. They are providing data frame as an input inside a function called select data. So our task is to write a solution to select the name and age of the student with student ID equal to 101. So let's see the example test cases. The input is with column name, student ID, name and age, and there are some rows. So we filter out the rows which having student ID as 101. So in this, the first row is having student ID as 101 and we need to print only name of the student and the age. So this two data is printed as an output. So let's see how to approach this challenge. First, we need to print to select that means to filter out rows means from a data frame we need to provide first name of that data frame and inside square bracket we need to provide the column name. For example, to filter rows with some column variable we need to provide student. This is the data frame name and inside this we need to provide the column name. The column name is student ID and the column student ID should have variable 101. So let's try to return this answer. So it's providing a wrong answer because we printed out student ID, name and age. We just filter out the rows. First we need to filter out the rows and then we filter out the columns. So here you can see the output. So here our code has filtered out the rows which having student ID as 101 to filter out columns. So we need only name and age, not student ID column. So we need to select column. Let's see how we can select. Inside, after filter outing the column rows, then we need to provide square bracket. Inside there is another square bracket. Inside this we need to provide column names. The column names are name, comma, age. This is a two column which we needed to print out in the output. So we need to provide in this format. Let's run the code. Our code is successful. Is exactly print our output as we want, and we can in this function we first filter out the rows and then we filter out the columns, or we can approach in another way also. For example, first we can provide that we can filter out columns and then we can filter out the rows. It also works fine. We are providing the filter function of rows and column in a single line, so that even if the filter function of columns is first and filter function of row is next, means also in internally it will work. First it internally filter out the rows and then it filter out the columns. Like this only it will be work. So you can approach this challenge in any one of the way. Let's submit this code. The code is execute successfully. Let's see the next challenges in upcoming videos. Thank you.